Hero. Give me your noonie. Go get your noonie. Tito. Go get your noonie. Bring me your noonie. Go get me one of those noonies over there. Hero. Bring me those noonies. Bring me those over there. Look. Go get me that noonie. Over there. Bring me your noonie. Here, well. Bring me one of those. Come on. Noonie. Come on. Look. What's this one? Oh, look. It's a part of your old sock. What's this one? What's this one? Hey, Del. Look. There's your old box. Oh, there's a sock. Good boy. Now look. Look. What's this one? A noonie? Oh. Wait, there's this one. What's this one? What's this one? Oh, boy. We got them all now. Okay. They're all over here by your bed. See? Now Mama's floor won't look like it's all full of trash. It's all Hero's toys. So we can tell your audience, yes, tell your audience, those are all your toys and it's not just trash on Mama's floor. Okay? Look. What's that one? Oh. A sock. What's this one? Oh. My goodness gracious. They all look so good, huh? And what's this? What's this? Is this your pop-up pen? Uh-oh. What's that? What is that? Oh, here's a little piece of one of your other little toys. Look. Where's your papa? Huh? Turn it over. Turn it over with me. Look. There. Where's your papa? It's all empty. It's all empty. Are you hungry? You hungry? You want some papa? Where's your papa? Where is it? Where do we go? Where do we go for your papa? Huh? Where's your papa? Good boy. Good boy. It's in here? Where's your papa? Oh, fine. You're so smart. You're so smart. Here, well, let's get you some food. Yeah. Alright. Wait, gotta give the bike. Oh, showcase. Alright. Open the door. Let's go get your papa. Open the door. Come on. Look. Good boy. Alright. Let's give you some papa. There. Alright. There's Mama. Hi, Mama. What you doing, baby? Hey, Wowo's hungry, huh? Is that your papa? Yeah. We say thank you, Jesus, for this papa that we're about to eat. All in one go. And thank you for picking up all of your toys from the floor. Right? We're a good boy. Okay. Enjoy your papa.